it's going very wonderfully in market. Okay, so as I'm a digital marketer, I'm an advertiser, so I know how advertisement will attract the people. So how we can get attract to people to get our business. Okay, those things I have analyzed and I got to know. So how B10x is working. So how the training sessions will happen. So those things when I got to know, so I thought I could take a chance in B10x. So I can easily go through my LMS and I can chat with them directly. So it will help me a lot. And in LMS, that is one of the best part. You have people integrated. That is a AI tool. So whatever the things, if I confused, so I can just copy that link and post it in that LMS portal. So it will give me an instant result. So that is one of the best part I can say. Yeah, I could say that it's one of the, I think as compared to others, this is a best platform to learn and grow their career. So B10x is going beyond their objectives, beyond the learning things. So that is one thing I could suggest, and without hesitating, anyone can learn AI tools in B10x.
Hi Praveen, welcome. I'm so excited to have you here with us today. Before we dive in, tell me how are you feeling right now?
Yeah, I'm good. So how about you?
I'm great. Amazing.
Yeah.
Today's conversation is all about your story. Not just the final achievement, but the motivation, struggles, mindset shifts, actions, breakthroughs that brought you here. We want people to see the real journey behind your success. So let's take a step back and start from the beginning. Can you introduce yourself and share what your life or professional situation was like before joining this masterclass?
Yeah, okay. So started my career in 2008. Okay, so when I completed my first PUC, so due to some family issues, I stopped my studies and started working. So after that, I took a decision so I can go my career with myself only, because I don't have that much of back support from family and all. So started my career as an sales executive. So I worked as a 10 plus years as a sales executive. So in COVID time, so I lost my job. So at that time I thought I can move ahead. So with this sales executive and all, I didn't get that much of career growth. So I started learning about the digital marketing, started learning digital marketing in COVID time only. So when lockdown happened, so I took online classes. I started learning digital marketing. So while completing my course, within 2 to 3 days I got a job in digital marketing field. So I have applied for intern. As an intern, I have applied for the digital marketing job. But when the interviewer looked at me and he analyzed my knowledge and all, so he didn't accepted me as an intern. He took me as a directly executive. So that is my first career goal, I think I can say. So it's a very energizing me to achieve more in my life. So where I started my career as a digital marketing. So now I have completed my 4 years. So I thought somewhere I'm lagging about the AI sessions. So in digital marketing, most of our things will happen included with the AI only. So now when you started with chat GPTs come to market, so it's completely a revolution for the digital marketing and other fields. So I'm not aware of that much of about the chat GPT, how prompt can use, how prompt will help to my career and my digital marketing related whatever I'm doing the content writing. So I can writing ad copies. So I'm reviewing Google ads on all this social media posting related. So here I'm getting some lagging the how I'm not achieving my proper goals. So I thought I have to learn about the prompt engineering and how I can use the AI tools. So while researching, I got a Be10x, one of the best, I think, academy I can say. So previously I thought I'm scary about the things, how they can teach me. So how I can analyze that, how can I learn that. So I'm little bit confusion of learning things in online, because previously whatever the sessions will happen, so I went the directly classrooms, I sit with them, so I can take a training in the live only. So trainers in front of me, so whatever, whenever I lag the questions, where if I didn't understand anything, so immediately I can ask them and I took feedback on spot only. So in live sessions I little bit confused and I'm scary about, because I am not able to speak directly. So those things happen. So I have conversation with my friends and colleagues. So they taught me. One of my friend already did in AI career. So he suggested me Be10x. So you can go with this. This is one of the best platform. You can learn AI related and prompt engineering related. So I took some time to get in Be10x, because I have analyzed many things. So I saw that how Be10x is working as a prompt engineering training sessions and all. So after that, I decided to take one chance to learn things in AI related and prompt engineering. So Be10x, I think I'm getting a better knowledge as of right now. So if I go with 3 to 4 months behind, so when I'm using a chat GPT and AI tools, I'm not aware of that much how I can improve myself. So while any prompt I given in chat GPT, at different things I got there. So for example, I'm looking to write an SEO friendly content for my website. So I don't know how I can give a prompt properly. So because when a chat GPT using like uh, 10 to 20% of knowledge chat GPT prompt, how I can analyze my prompts and all. So at that time I'm lagging somewhere, so giving a proper prompts in chat GPT. So I thought that one thing I learned in Be10x. So in previous months when I started learning in Be10x, so I got my productivity is more improved as compared to previous. So that is one of best thing I thought, and I can done my sales achievement as 3x more, so as compared to previous. So those things happened with me. So and I think it's giving me better knowledge in prompt engineering. So how I can use the AI tools. So it comes to a image generation, it comes to a video generation, and it comes to a content writing. So it's come to my ad performance, I can analyze using the chat GPT. So previously I don't know how to analyze my ads through chat GPT. So that is one best thing I learned here.
Okay. So, how did you hear about this masterclass and what convinced you that this is right for you?
Yeah, so as I said, my colleagues, some of AI tools, their automation and all, they are learning. Okay, so they have a better knowledge in that AI tools and all. Okay,
Okay.
but the main problem I'm facing, they are a different company, I'm in a different company. So their designation is different, my working professional is different. So by staying with them, so I thought I take some suggestion from them. Okay, so they don't have get that much of time to teach me everything. Okay, so they told me, so they suggested, yeah, you can take a Be10x, one of the the people who are in the Be10x, they are almost IIT graduates, right? So as of right now in India, what will happen? So most of IIM people who came out of the career, okay, they will starting their own business Okay, their startups are getting, as of right now, in booming in India. Okay, so whatever the startups are going, they are giving a better result as compared to others. Okay, so that is a main thing. And one of the most thing I could say, some advertisement, it's going very wonderfully in market. Okay, so as I'm a digital marketer, I'm an advertiser, so I know how advertisement will attract the people. So how we can get attract to people to get our business. Okay, those things I have analyzed and I got to know. So how B10x is working, so how the training sessions will happen. So those things when I got to know, so I thought I could take a chance in B10x.
Okay. So finally, what achievement or milestone did you reach as a result of this masterclass? And
Yeah,
how this
so
impact, like how did this impact your career, income, productivity, or business?
yeah, so the main thing, yeah, it's a productivity. So as previously, it's a less productivity from my side. So achieving my goal, it took a lot of time. So as I'm a digital marketer, I have some what do you say, uh, uh, the sales related. I have some targets. Okay, so as I'm working as a digital marketing real estate industry. Okay, so every month I have some sales target fixed for me. So I have to achieve that target. So previously, what will happen? I'm not able to reach the target as they have fixed for me. Okay, so I'm lagging somewhere. So I didn't give that productivity to them. So when I started learning, so as a first time I got a employee of the month award when I started learning in this AI tools. Okay, so previously I have worked almost 1.5 years, so I didn't get that employee of the month award till now. So when I started AI tools, when I using this, so I given more productivity, so it will gives me more result. So I have achieved my target, sales target. So I got a award from my company as a employee of the month.
Great. So, how has this journey changed you as a person? And how did the masterclass community or mentor support you along the way?
Yeah, they are very supportive. So I as I'm a learner, so I can say whenever I need any help, so I can easily go through my LMS and I can chat with them directly. So it will help me a lot. And in LMS, that is one of the best part. You have people integrated. That is a AI tool. So whatever the things, if I confused, so I can just copy that link and post it in that LMS portal. So it will give me an instant result. So that is one of the best part I can say.
Great. So, what advice would you give to someone who is considering this masterclass?
Yeah, I could say that yeah, it's a one of the, I think, as compared to others, this is a best platform to learn and grow their career. So B10x is going beyond their objectives, beyond the learning things. So that is one thing I could suggest, and without hesitating, anyone can learn AI tools in B10x.
Thank you. And now, what's the next big goal you're excited to pursue?
Yeah, my big goal, I could say, I want to start my own business. So now India is a startup booming industry. So I want to participate myself as a startup to give a more productivity to people who has getting some what do you say, marketing things somewhere they are lagging and they are not able to reach that people properly. So in that way I can give some more productivity using a very minimum price. So when it's come to marketing, people are thought they have spending more money to advertise. They want to spend more things in advertisement and all. So in the market, so I could say I can do some revolutionary things using AI tools and automation. So are giving a better result in a lesser price. So those kind of things I'm looking into myself as a something I need to give a market.
Okay. Praveen, thank you for being here and sharing your transformation so authentically. Your journey is powerful, your results are inspiring, and your story is going to spark action in so many others out there. And we are so proud to have been a small part of your big journey.
Yeah, right.
Thank
Thank you.
you.